Hi everyone, you're watching a mobile mechanic channel from Sacramento. Today, we're working on a 2010 Honda Fit. We'll be doing basic maintenance, engine oil, oil filter replacement, air filter replacement, and spark plug replacement. My name is Taya, and I'm the wife of a mobile mechanic. While you're watching this Honda Fit service, I'll tell you a little about my husband's business. He owns a mobile auto repair service in Sacramento. He comes directly to the customer and performs maintenance or repairs on site, so they don't have to take the car to a regular shop. Sometimes I come with him on service calls, and now I want to show you how carefully and professionally he does his work. We ran into a small issue, and that happens in real work too. We have different tools for removing oil filters, but this time the standard wrench didn't fit. So we had to find another solution. And we quickly found one. We ended up removing the filter with a strap-all filter wrench. That's it. The work under the car is done. The oil has been drained, and the filter has been replaced. Now we're adding fresh oil and moving on to the air filter replacement. The air filter replacement on this car is the easiest part of the service. Everything is right on top with easy access, so it only takes a few minutes. Replacing the spark plugs is a little more complicated here. To get to the spark plugs, you have to take apart the upper section under the windshield. Remove the plastic cowl panel where the wipers sit, along with the wiper mechanism. Only after that do you get proper access to the spark plugs. Look how carefully my husband cleans out the debris that built up under the plastic cover. Small details like this matter too. When the work area is clean, the service is done more neatly and more professionally. Finally, we got to the spark plugs. Now, he can remove the ignition coils and replace the old spark plugs with new ones. But it looks like this part will not be that easy. The locks on the ignition coils are very tight, so he has to be careful here, not to break anything. It worked. The locks came off carefully, and now he's removing the ignition coils, so we can move on to the spark plugs. And when we were already close to finishing the job, we found out that the spark plugs didn't fit. So now we have to go to an auto parts store and get the right ones. This happens too. Sometimes Amazon sellers list the wrong fitment information and say that a part fits a specific car, even when it doesn't. This can happen with any car part. And even an auto parts store doesn't always give the correct option. We went straight to an auto parts store and bought the correct spark plugs. Now, we can install the new spark plugs. After that, the ignition coils go back in place, and the main part of the job is almost done. The spark plugs that didn't fit, we carefully pack back up so the customer can return them. Before the final assembly, we slowly start putting away the tools that we won't need anymore. This keeps the work area clean and makes it easier to finish the job. Now, we're doing the final assembly, so we can return the serviced car to the customer. Final oil level check. The level needs to be right where it should be, with no overfill and no underfill. Yes, the level is good. Now we can pack up and head home. The Honda Fit service is finished, and the car is ready to go back to the customer. The customer asked us to check the tire pressure. The sticker inside the driver's door shows the recommended pressure, 33 psi. The tires were almost perfectly inflated. The pressure was right where it should be, 33 psi.
Thank you.
This is your old stuff, and also you can return your spark plugs and put back.
Oh, the old one, the ones that didn't fit.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can send back.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. We can send it back. Yeah.
That's it, we're heading home. Friends, if you enjoy our videos about the everyday life of a mobile mechanic, subscribe, leave a like, and let us know what you think about our work. Thank you to everyone who watched us. See you soon.